Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your extended love reading for the month of July 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here, Aquarius. Okay, I have already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that too. Your general reading, you can have a look on that too. Okay, so in your main reading, I told you there is someone, Aquarius, who wants to give you Ace of Cups. Okay, they see you as someone who is an Empress. They know the truth that you are someone who has to handle with care, who you are the Empress. Okay, and they are offering you Ace of Cups here, Aquarius. They know the truth, but your guards are up, Aquarius, right now. Maybe this person try to manipulate you here with the Seven of Swords. This person break your heart, they put you in a third party situation. Okay, there was some kind of lying, cheating, manipulation, mind games which was happening between you and this person, and that's why your guards are up. Your guards are up, your self defensive mode is on. You're not ready to put your guards down. You're saying that no, I don't want any lying, cheating, manipulation. I'm protecting my energy from these kinds of energies. Okay, so this is someone, I don't think so. This is the fresh energy. This is someone from your past, of course. And this is your divine counterpart. This is your spiritual connection. You're dealing with, this is a spiritual connection, Aquarius. In the oracle, I was having the Emperor and the Empress. You can have a look on that reading too. This is a spiritual connection you are dealing with. Okay, this is a spiritual connection. Right now you have to keep patience, Aquarius. Keep your temperance, patience, because divine angels are working here with you. Okay, behind your scenes there is a lot of communication which is coming for you here, Aquarius. Can you see? There's a lot of communication which is coming. Okay, this person wants to create 10 of cups, 10 of pentacles, both are here. Maybe you can see a lot of 10, that can be a possibility here. 10 number synchronicities. So that's what I can see here, but do not worry at all, because you are completing a cycle with this person. You're closing out a cycle with this person here, and there is a tower which is happening in your life. Okay, the tower is taking place. This is the divine intervention which is taking place in your life. But tower is not bad at all, Aquarius. Tower is always good, because it creates changes, it creates things which you have to create in your life, but you are not creating it. You have to take certain decisions, you have to make necessary changes in your life. When you don't do that, then the divine intervenes in your situation so that you can make that necessary changes. So divine is intervening in your situation here. This is Star, the Magician, and the Ace of Pentacles. So you are manifesting commitment. You are manifesting here new hopes, new desires, Aquarius, and that's beautiful. Ace of Pentacle, you want commitment in your life. You do not want anything unstable. I'm getting the word unstable. You want stability in your life, security, stability. So you want stability. That's what you are manifesting here. Right now you are in the energy of King of Swords. Okay, you are emotionally unavailable to someone or everyone. Right now you are someone who knows the truth here, Aquarius. So this was the energy which I was getting here, Aquarius. Now let's start the reading. Let's see the clarification of these cards. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to do the clarification for this reading. Let's start the reading. Let's see. Okay, I just cut it out, and there is Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you want Ace of Pentacles, you want stability, and stability is coming towards you. There will be a commitment which is coming towards you, Aquarius. That's the judgment which is being made by the divine, or by your person, or by yourself, or you are making that decision for yourself that I want this. And when you say that I want this, I want to manifest this, then the universe will send you exactly that thing. Okay, clarify me the Star. The Queen of Pentacle. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Ace of Swords. Okay, you already have the clarity, Aquarius. You already have the clarity here. Okay, you are someone who is financially stable, grounded maybe. Okay, so you are someone who is maybe financially, who knows how to take care of the finances basically. So that's what I can say. Clarify me, Magician. What is Aquarius manifesting? Wow. You're manifesting 10 of Cups. Happy family, happy life. That's what you are manifesting. Happily ever after. Okay, marriage, kids, child, happily ever after. Happy family, happy life. 0555 was the recording reading time. That's what you are manifesting here. That's beautiful energy, Aquarius. Don't be in the energy of 5 of Cups. Okay, don't be sad, remorse, guilt, because everything is happening so that you can get evolved. Okay, on a soul level you can get your soul growth. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 5 of Cups, because you are in this energy of 5 of Cups. Don't be sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, now let's see. I know your guards are up. Can you see 7 of Wands? Clarify me, Ace of Pentacle. Who is giving Ace of Pentacle? Wow. The person who is giving you Ace of Pentacle is going to give you Ace of Cups. The person who is going to give you a commitment, this person is going to give you emotional fulfillment. 2 aces, Ace of Cups, double confirmation. Ace of Cups is coming in your life. Emotional fulfillment is going to come in your life. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, excuse me, and I'm sorry if you listen voice of the kids, because they're small babies in my home. Okay, the baby is crying right now. So sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, the one who is going to give you commitment, they also want to give you Ace of Cups. This is beautiful, Aquarius. Clarify me, King of Swords. Clarify me, King of Swords. Clarify me, King of Swords. Death and Rebirth and Ace of Wands. When the cards and energy repeats in my reading, it feels very great, because that's the double confirmation. That's the definite energy which is coming towards you. Whatever has happened in the past, Aquarius, that is going to end. Okay, that is taking place between you and this person, so that you can become transformed. You can transformed. Okay, transformation is taking place between you and this person, and there is a lot of communication which is coming towards you here with the 8 of Wands. Maybe through social media app or WhatsApp, or they will call you, but a lot of communication. Expect a lot of communication. Okay, but use your intuitions, Aquarius. High Priestess is here, so use your intuition. Who is going to give you Ace of Cups? Clarify me, Ace of Cups. Please clarify why there is Ace of Cups here. This is amazing. Literally, I want to jump it right now. Yay! Thank you, universe. Ace of Pentacles. This is wonderful. This is wonderful, Aquarius. This is wonderful. Right now, this person is in hermit mode, or you are in the hermit mode. Can you see it? Ace of Pentacles has been clarified by Ace of Cups, and Ace of Cups has been clarified by Ace of Pentacles. This is superb. This is superb, I can say that. The person who is going to give you commitment is going to fulfill your emotions. A cup which is full of emotions. They want to offer you their heart. Wow. This is the double confirmation. This is superb. I love it. I love it. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Right now, you are in a hermit mode. Okay, you are doing your soul searching, and you are single. You are happy. You are abundant. You're enjoying your singlehood, and you're looking at your answers from within yourself. That's beautiful, Aquarius. I love it. But see, I just cut it out. 1001. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Again and again it's saying, this is your emperor. This is your emperor. Wow. Two of Cups. Let's see. It's very beautiful. Clarify me Seven of Wands. Why there is Seven of Wands here? Knight of Wands. Because this person is someone who is a player kind of energy. You do not want anyone in your life who is a player kind of energy, in and out energy. That's why your guards are up. There is Moon. Because this person is not clear, or you are having confusion on your side, Aquarius. Okay. There is confusion. There is no clarity here in this situation. Either you are having a confusion or this person is having a confusion, but someone is having a confusion. That's why the cards are up here. There is no clarity. The Moon and the Knight of Wands. There is someone who is a player kind of energy here, and they are not clear here. There is a confusion. That's why your guards are up. If you know that this person has a clarity, your guards will get down. But your guards are up because you think that there is a confusion. This person is not having clarity here. But you want to move in a forward direction with this person. With the Chariot here. Why there is Seven of Swords here? Wow. I told you they're rushing towards you with the Knight of Swords. In the beginning only I told you in my main reading that they are coming towards you, Aquarius. But your guards are up. Can you see again? Your guards are up. Seven of Wands energy. They are rushing. They're coming, but you're protecting your energy. You're completing a cycle, Aquarius. There was some kind of cycle, some kind of lesson which this person was trying to teach you. Okay. Now you are closing out a cycle with this person here. Can you see? The World card is here again. So there was some kind of lesson which this person was trying to teach you here. But they are rushing. They're coming. Why there is Three of Swords here? The King of Wands and the King of Pentacles. There was a third party situation which was involved in your situation here, Aquarius. And because of that, there was a lot of conflicts, fighting, drama. You were dealing with someone who was your divine counterpart here. Okay, can you see? King of Cups. Here again. I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to show you. This is someone who is your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. Okay. This King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles is also a power couple here. 1331. But they put you in a third party situation. There was other than you. There were two more. There were other relationships. That broke. You already know the truth. That broke your heart basically. King of Pentacles, King of Wands. This person is someone who is very passionate, very attractive, and maybe they know how to manage finances. You ignite the passion in them basically. But there was a third party situation, Aquarius. You already know the truth. Queen of Swords is here. They also want to move in a forward direction. Maybe right now they're taking. See again the Page of Swords and the Knight of Pentacles. Maybe right now you can't see because this is the slowest energy. But they're keeping in tabs on you, Aquarius. And they already know the truth. They know that they have to move in a forward direction with you. But there was a third party situation involved in your case. Either from your side or from your person's side. And that was the lying, cheating, manipulation. That was the mind game here. Someone was having a third party here. And third party can be anything, okay? It's not necessary that excuse, third party can be any other person, but third party can be anything: family, friends, job, any work, anything can be a third party. Okay, ten of pentacles is clarified by the ten of pentacles and the wheel of fortune here. This is beautiful. In today's reading, everything is repeating again and again. Ten of pentacles is being created, is going to create in your life, because the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. The luck is on your side. That's beautiful. Okay, clarify me Eight of Wands. Why there is Eight of Wands here? Please clarify why there is Eight of Wands. Five of Swords. Clarify Eight of Wands. Okay, it wants to come out. The Star, the High Priestess, the Six of Pentacles. There were a lot of conflicts between you and this person, okay, in the past. And now they are going to call you. They are going to call you and they are going to say that, Aquarius, I want to give equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles. You are the hope for my life. New hopes, new desires. Let's start the new fresh. Maybe they say that, but use your intuitions. There are new hopes, new desires, equal amount of give and take. Okay, but use your intuitions, Aquarius. They're going to communicate with you. There were a lot of conflicts, drama, fighting, arguments with this person. Okay. Clarify me Ten of Cups. That's what you are manifesting. This is beautiful reading I have ever did in my life. Literally, thank you, Aquarius. Because of you, I'm doing it. Thank you, universe, for giving these beautiful messages. Can you see? Magician has been clarified by Ten of Cups. And here, Ten of Cups is being clarified by Magician. You are manifesting Ten of Cups happily ever after. This is beautiful. One more time, I'm saying that. This is double confirmation, and that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Can you see? Magician is clarified by Ten of Cups. Thank you, universe. Thank you, divine. Thank you for giving the clear-cut message. Ten of Cups is being clarified by the Magician. This is beautiful. Clarify me Temperance. Wow. Temperance has been clarified by Temperance. You have to keep patience right now, Aquarius. Angels are working, the universe, the divine is working for your connection, okay? So you have to keep the Temperance. Temperance is being clarified by Temperance. That's beautiful reading, I can say that. There is an angel who is taking care of you both. This is a spiritual connection you are dealing with. You're dealing with someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay? Sorry. Clarify me, world. Clarify me, world. Why there is world here? Page of Swords, Seven of Wands, Seven of Cups, the Sun. Maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 777. That can be a possibility. This person is someone from your past, Aquarius. This is your soulmate, Six of Cups, and they're feeling restricted, stuck. They're overthinking here. Okay, this is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together, and even now in this lifetime also you have already met with this person. Okay, so this is not a new energy. Okay, the Sun is coming for you. This is beautiful. I told you Tower is not bad at all. I told you Tower is always beautiful, Aquarius, because sometimes what happens is that we don't make necessary changes for our lives, but divine knows the best for us, what is best for us. So that's why they create the Tower, so that you can make the necessary changes. And the Tower is coming for you, and it will bring the sun, the new happy beginnings. Whatever confusion was there between you and this person, the Seven of Cups, There were a lot of options to choose, either from your side, Aquarius, or from your person's side. There was a confusion here. That confusion is going to get end. Okay, there will be no confusion between you and this person here. There will be a clarity. There will be a clarity. There will be new happy beginnings. Right now, this person is keeping an eye on you with the Page of Swords, and your guards are up against the Seven of Wands. That's why you're completing a cycle, because you both are, can you see this? Both are facing each other. Can you see? So this person is keeping and spying on you, that what my Aquarius are doing. Clarify me, Tower. Please clarify me, Tower. This card also followed. So this is someone who ghosted you, Five of Pentacles, who left you out in cold, basically, Aquarius. Okay, in the past. This is your wish fulfillment, basically. Or you both are the wish fulfillment for each other. Okay, the Nine of Cups and Ace of Wands. This is someone, 3 aces in your reading. Oh, that's beautiful, okay? Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Wands. This is someone who is having the thoughts of you. You are having the thoughts of them. You ignite the passion in them, and they ignite the passion in you. 3 aces in your reading. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for this person. This is your divine counterpart, your twin flame, 1111, and you are waiting for this person to come. Maybe right now this person cannot make a decision. 2 of Swords. That's why the Tower is happening. Now they're coming with a lot of love here. Can you see? And you are also waiting. That's what. This person cannot make a decision for you, for the relationship. And you are also waiting for this person to come. 2 of Swords and 3 of Wands. And now they're coming here, Aquarius. With the Knight of Cup. Lot of love, stability, commitment, loyalty, romance with the 4 of Wands. Okay. Okay, that's beautiful. To offer you 2 of Cups. This is beautiful reading, Aquarius. So this is what I'm having here for you. Now let's see again 2 of Swords. You are also, this person was also not able to make a decision, and your guards were up. But see, the Sun is coming. Now let's see what is the advice. Advice is use your intuition, High Priestess. Okay. Now let's see what is the advice for this reading. Please give me advice. 8 of Wands. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay. There is a lot of communication which is coming towards you. That's the advice also from the divine, from the universe. That's yes, there is definitely a communication which is coming for you. Okay. From my 3 decks, I'm getting the 8 of Wands here. What is that? What is the Moon, 7 of Swords wants to come out. Okay, and 8 of Swords. Because of the confusion, because of the lying, cheating, manipulation, because of the deception, this person or you are feeling restricted, stuck, cannot move in a forward direction here. Okay. But the cycle is going to end here. 10 of Swords. There is no 11 here. Can you see all Swords energy here? 8 of Swords and the 10 of Swords. So cycle is going to complete here, Aquarius, between you and this person. The King of Cups. This is someone who is very much in love with you. Yes, 3 of Wands. 10 of Pentacles. King of Wands. What is the advice? See, Wheel of Fortune is here again. So this person is someone who wants to create, abundance of everything. 10 of Pentacles is here again. 3 of Wands, 10 of Wands. King of Cups and the King of Wands. So this is someone who wants to create abundance of everything with you, Aquarius, here. Right now, maybe you will receive some kind of passionate message or something small, but this will start here. Because here I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Can you see? The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. The good luck, the good karma is moving in your favor. What is the advice you want me to deliver for Aquarius? You are definitely closing out a cycle here with this person. That's why there is 10 of Wands and the 10 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles here. That's why there was a World card here again and again. You are definitely closing out a cycle. Because of the confusion here, Aquarius, 7 of Cups. Okay, there is some kind, what is the, there is a devil here. So what is the toxicity between you and this person? This person or you are having lot of options to choose here. Okay, so be decisive. Okay, be decisive what you want, or be decisive. This person has to decisive here, but you will get success, or this person will get success to choose that what this person needs. Okay, they will get the clarity here, Aquarius. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having the World again. I told you, you are completing a cycle with this person, or you both are completing a cycle. I can say that because you both are closing out a cycle. This person will get the clarity. Okay, the Ace of Swords is here. This is your lovers. Okay, they want to take the Fool, the Knight of Cup. They're coming towards you with lot of love. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. But use your intuition, High Priestess. They're going to give you 2 of Cups. Again, 2 of Cups is here. But right now you have to keep your temperance. So that's what I can have here, Aquarius. Wow. Ace of Pentacles. So beautiful reading. That's what I can have here, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. And till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.